Here's every Slido poll type and our top tips on how to use them. We recommend to keep it simple and stick to asking one question at a time, unless you're setting up a survey, but we'll get to that. A word cloud is the perfect icebreaker to get started with. Ask a question that requires a one-word answer, or even better, one emoji. The more times a response is submitted, the larger it appears. A rating poll is an easy way to collect instant feedback. Choose up to 10 stars or use emojis and ask how your audience is feeling. Yeah, we like emojis. Make decisions efficiently with a multiple choice poll or even set a correct answer. The open text poll is great for brainstorming, sharing ideas, and creative exercises. Try to be as specific as possible when asking so people don't feel overwhelmed by too broad a question. Why not use a ranking poll and ask your audience in advance to rank topics according to their relevance? Then you can tailor the content you deliver based on the results. And if you want to have multiple polls active at the same time, try our survey feature. You can add as many different poll types as you need, perfect for getting feedback at the end of a session.